Welcome. Today we'll see how to delete a project from Intellij. There are different ways you can delete. Click open a project from your welcome list, and it will. Then you go and see under a file menu option. You see a manage projects. This will have a list of projects you can remove from here. You can delete projects from here. Another option is close this project. You can close project, and it will take you back to the welcome list. So where you click open the projects. So close it, and you see a list of projects. You can remove it from where you no more see this once you close it from here. And this is not a permanent deletion. It will still be there in your workspace. To delete from your workspace, you got to open your workspace, and you see a lot of projects, the same projects what you see in the welcome list. So if you want to delete it permanent from here, you have to delete from this folder. So that will help you delete all the projects permanently.